In this video, I'm going to show you how to feather edges in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is have an image, and I have this random image over here, and then you want to click on it and select it, go to Pixel up top, and then select the selection tool over here. It can be any one. I'm just going to do the rectangular marquee tool, and you want to go ahead and basically select the whole image. When you do this, you should have the selection over the full image, and then you want to go to the Pixel tab up top, go to pixel selection, and then down here it's gonna say feather. Just click on the feather button, and then here you can basically select how much of the feather you want. So the radius, you could go ahead and slide it, and as you can see, the edges are slightly changing. I'm going to leave it like this for now, and I'm gonna click on apply. And after you've done this, all you have to do is just click on this mask layer over here, and when you do this, it's basically going to feather the edges. As you can see over here, the edges are now feathered. Now to deselect this, just press Ctrl D on your keyboard, and you are good to go. Your edges have now been feathered, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.